started removing all the staples so I could get rid of this old dated fabric. Now the way I do it is I just take an old flat screwdriver. It's actually one that has busted, so it's kind of a little sharp on the corner. And I pry the staples up, and then using a small pair of pliers, I just pull them totally out, using the rounded edge as leverage. This makes it a little easier for me. Having said that, there were so many staples in the back of this piece, and it took me probably almost half an hour, if not a little more, to get all the staples out. And I do want to add a word of caution if you're ever removing upholstery staples. Make sure whatever tool you're using to remove them is facing away from you, and do not put your other hand in front of it when you're trying to remove a staple, because if the tool you're using slips, and I've done this, my friends, it is horrible. If the tool you're using slips and hits your hand or your body, it can cause, serious injury. So be very careful. Once I removed the last few staples off the corner, woo, it was time to get rid of all this old upholstery fabric.